the other way. So for example, I can put my cursor here. Then I select this. When I click there, I see the Barrett is going to be added to my document. And when I click here also, the Barrett is going to be added to my document. Uh, as a result, you can even choose to return back by clicking the undo, or you go there and you click here, you see it's undo Barrett. You see you are removing the Barrett, which means you are going back to the previous version of the text you were having. You can go back again and play the barrettes in your document you are having. So here there are different types of barrettes you can use. Like this one, you can change the type of barrett you use. You can change this one. Also, you can add custom barretts. Here, for example, you want to add the new barrett you want. Define new barrett. Once you click define new barrett, you can add picture here of the barrett you want to be using. Then you add, for example, the image you want. If it is offline, if it is from a computer, you select from a computer. Once you selected from a computer, just change to cell quickly and choose ILEC business group. Then click ILEC. So once you click ILEC business group, we are going to see that it's the one which is going to be added here. This Barrett is now for ILEC business group limited. So let's start it.